Arithmetic progression exercise 1.1 in that question 4. Same question, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. So we have to find the AP or not, and we have to find the D value is same for all or not. If it is same, we have to find 3 more terms. Let's see the series. So a square, a cube, a4, a to the power of 4. Now first step, we have to assign the value of a1, a2, a3, a4. Let's see. First term as a, second term as a square, third term as a3, a cube, fourth term as a to the power of 4. Now common difference, we have to find these two, a2 minus a1 is a square minus a. It becomes a of, by taking common here, we have taken a as common, it remains is a into a minus 1. Now a3 minus a2, a3 means a cube minus a square. Here we can take the common of a square. If we take common as a square, remaining is a minus 1. Third difference, a4 minus a3. a4 is a to the power of 4 minus a3 means a cube. Don't get confusion, they have given second value as a square, third value as a cube, fourth value as a to the power of 4. We have to mention in the power only. a4 is different, a to the power of 4 is different, a3 is different, a to the power of 3 is different. a3, this is a3, this is a cube. They have given the value of a3 as a cube only, so don't get confused. A to the power of a4, they have given the value of a to the power of 4 here, so the difference become here a3 minus a1. So this is different, this is different, this is different, the values are not constant. So as a1 is not a2 minus a1 is not equal to a3 minus a2, so this doesn't form an AP. Next, arithmetic progression exercise 1.1 question 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Now we'll see the series. Next day. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. They have given the series as root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Okay. First we have to assign the value a1, a2, a3, a4. a1 as root 2, a2 as root 8, a3 as root 18, a4 as root 32. Now we have to find the value of D by giving first and second and third. So a2 minus a1, that is root 8 minus root 2, that is, so root 8 I am writing as 2 root 2. Okay, 2 into root 2. So root 8 I can write like 2 root 2. How? That is 4 into 2. I am going to write as 8 as 4 into 2. Okay. Now this is 4 inside the root. If I take out, it becomes 2. Again root 2 remains in the root. So 2 root 2. Okay. Now root 8 I am writing as a 2 root 2. In 2 root 2 minus root 2, it becomes 2 root means 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, it becomes remaining is only root 2. Now a3 minus a2, that is root 18 minus root 8. Root 18, now see I am going to root 18. Root 18 I am going to write like this, 9 into 2. So if I take these 9 out of the root, it becomes 3 root 2. Okay, I can write 8 as 2 root 2, I can write root 18 as 3 root 2, and it becomes the value is root 2. Next, D value a4 minus a3, that is 4 root 2. a4 means a4 means here 32, root 32. Root 32 I am writing as 4 root 2. See here, root 32 means I am going to write it as 16 into 2 inside the root. So if I take 16 out of the root, so it becomes 4 root 2. Now a4 I am writing it as 4 root 2, and a3 we know that 3 root 2. In 4 root 2, if we deduct 3 root 2, remaining is root 2. So here the D value is root 2, root 2, root 2. Now, so all the a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equals to a4 minus a3. So all the values of D are the same, so they form an AP series. Now we have to find a5, a6, a7. a5 means a4 plus D, a6 means a5 plus D, a7 means a6 plus D. So now you can do like this. A fifth value becomes root 50, root 72, root 98. So these are the three values we have to find. So we found it. Next, arithmetic progression exercise 1.1 in that question number 4. Same question, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the difference and write 3 more terms. Let's see the question first. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. First thing we have to assign the value of a1, a2, a3, a4. See here, a1 as root 3, a2 as root 6, a3 as root 9, a4 as root 12. Now second thing we have to do is common difference. Common difference of a2 minus a1, common difference of a3 minus a2, common difference of a4 minus a3. Now a2 minus a1, a2 means root 6 minus root 3, that is, so we know that root 6 as root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So here root 6 we write it as root 3 into 2. Okay, in root 3 we took root 3 outside. In the bracket we wrote it as root 2 minus 1. Remaining is root 3 into root 2 minus 1. Now D again, a3 minus a2. a3 root 9 minus root 6. Root 9 means we can remove the bracket, we can remove the root. So if we remove the root in the root 9, so it becomes 3. 3 minus root 6. 3 minus root 6. So these 3 I am writing like this, root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 I am taking out of the box, so remaining will be 1 root 3 minus root 2. Okay, here 6 I am writing as root 3 into root 2. So 1 root 3 I am taking out, remaining is root 3 minus root 2. Got it? So we are dividing like anything. Be careful. 3 we can write like 3 root 2 and root 3 and root 3. Root 6 we can write like root 3 into root 2. Got it? So in here 1 root 3 I am taking outside, remaining is inside the box. Okay, now a4 minus a3, root 12 minus root 6, root 9, root 12 minus root 9. So here I am going to write 3 minus root 6. Here root 3 I am taking outside, remaining is root 3 minus root 2. Now a2 minus a1 is not equal to a3 minus a2, and this is not equal to this. So all the values of D is different. So here it doesn't form a AP. So since it doesn't form an AP, we can't find further more terms, 3 more terms. Now next question, arithmetic progression Exercise 1.1 question 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Okay, the question is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. A1 value. First thing we have to write the given value as A1 and A2, A3, A4. A1, A2, A3, A4. Second thing we have to do is find the value of D. D, A2 minus A1, D, A3 minus A2, D, A4 minus A3. If these three values are same, it is an AP. Then we have to find A5, A6, A7. If the value is not same, so this is doesn't form an AP. We have to write like that. See, A2 minus A1, that is 3 square minus 1 square. 3 square means 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. A2 value 3 square. A1 value is 1 square. So 3 square means 9 minus 1 is 8. Now this one we have to find. This one becomes 8. Now A3 minus A2. A3 means they have given the value as 5 square. 5 square means 25. A2 means 3 square, that is 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. These values become 16. Now this we have to find A4 minus A3, that is A4 means 4 square, 7 square, that is 49, minus 5 square means 25. So 49 minus 25 is 24. So value of D is different. This value is different, this value is different, so we can't find we can't make it as a AP. So A1, A2, in return we have to show like this only. A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2 is not equal to A4 minus A3. So hence we can't, otherwise hence they do not form an AP series. Now next question, arithmetic progression, exercise 1.1, question 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more difference. Here first thing we have to see the series, that is they have given 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 7 cube. This is cube. Now first thing we have to assign the values. Whatever they have given, we have to assign it to A1, A2, A3, A4. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 7 cube. Next, common difference we have to find. Common difference we have to find for 3. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. If the all values are same, it forms an AP, or else it doesn't form an AP. Let's see the common difference of A2 minus A1. A2 means 5 square means 25. A1 means 1 square means 1. The value is becomes D is 24. Now D2, other D, one more D value we are going to find, that is A3 minus A2. This one. Here the value becomes 24. Now we are finding this one. So A3 means 7 square, that is 49, minus A2 means 5 square, that is 25. It becomes the value is 24. See, this is also 24. Now D value we are finding for this. Now A4 minus A3. A4, this is not 7 cube, this is 73. 73 minus 49. 73 minus 49 is 24 again. So all the values of D are same. So here we are writing like this: A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. So all the values of the form is same, so then they form a AP series. Now we have to find A5, A6, A7. A5 means A4 plus D, A6 means A5 plus D, A7 means A6 plus D. So by giving the values, at the fifth term it becomes 97, for the sixth term it becomes 121, for the seventh term it becomes 145. These are the remaining 3 more terms.